improvement and retain immunity. First of all, types of immune boosters. There are two ways to acquire active resistance against invading microbes. Immunity boosters may be mainly of two types depending on how they have been acquired by the body. Natural. Natural immunity boosters are those not processed and free from preservatives. They are readily present in your everyday lifestyle. It may include various fruits, vegetables, herbs, spices, and much more. They are packed with anti-inflammatory, antiviral, and antibacterial properties, which helps boost immunity and fight harmful pathogens. Artificial. Immunity boosters are also available in artificial form. They are acquired or can be induced by vaccines, medications, supplements, etc., a substance that contain antigen. Artificial immune boosters usually work weaker but can have a short-term immunization. Factors that help augment immunity in Ayurveda. A well-balanced diet with all 6 tastes and qualities balanced based on one's dosha. Include a variety of spices into the daily dietary routine. Most spices are high in their oxygen radical absorption capacity and reduce cell damage and maintain integrity. Regular detox plans like fasting or a proper panchakarma cleanse once a year. Consumption of rasayan herbs like ashwagandha and amla. Ayurvedic treatments like Nashya and panchakarma. Suvarna Prashan. General measures. Drink warm water throughout the day. Daily practice of yogasana, pranayam, meditation for at least 30 minutes as advised by Ministry of Ayush. Spices like haldi, turmeric, jeera, cumin, dhania, coriander, and lasun, garlic are recommended in cooking. Ayurvedic immunity promoting measures. Take Chyawanprash 10 gram in the morning. Diabetics should take sugar-free Chyawanprash. Drink herbal tea, kadha made from tulsi, dalchini, kali mirch, shunthi, munakka once or twice a day. Add jaggery or fresh lemon juice to your taste. If needed, golden milk, half teaspoon haldi powder in 150 ml hot milk once or twice a day. Simple Ayurvedic procedures. Nasal application. Apply sesame oil or coconut oil or ghee in both the nostrils in morning and evening. Oil pulling therapy. Take 1 tablespoon sesame or coconut oil in the mouth. Do not drink. Squeeze in the mouth for 2 to 3 minutes and spit it off, followed by warm water rinse. This can be done once or twice a day. During dry cough, sore throat. Steam inhalation with fresh pudina leaves or ajwain can be practiced once in a day. Loving powder mixed with natural sugar, honey can be taken 2 to 3 times a day in case of cough or throat irritation. These measures generally treat normal dry cough and sore throat. However, it is best to consult doctors if these symptoms persist. Ayurvedic remedies for improving immunity. Start the day with tulsi, pipali and ginger tea to strengthen and cleanse the upper respiratory tract. Use turmeric and black pepper in the meals daily to boost immunity and reduce toxins. Turmeric can be taken as a drink with almond milk or added to morning oats to prepare a nourishing golden porridge. Minimize intake of red meat and avoid usage of any processed meats like bacon, sausage, nugs, ham, etc. Take 15 ml of amla juice daily. Optionally take Chyawanprash to supply extra antioxidants and strengthen the immunity. Drink plenty of water. Staying well hydrated will keep the throat and mucous membrane moist, supporting its action as a good barrier to all microbes. Always maintain good personal hygiene, eat seasonal fruits and vegetables, and be stress-free. Healthy ways to strengthen your immune system. Go for a healthy diet, lots of good quality sleep, exercise on a regular basis, practice moderation with alcohol intake, avoid smoking, consume enough vitamins.